Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the shoes you're wearing as a stylist on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Next, tap on the outfit that you've been wearing as a stylist. Now you can find shoes on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the shoes option. Next, select the shoes that you want to. Once you're happy with it, tap the little green tick icon. And that's it. This is how you can change the shoes that you've been wearing on SuperStylist game. If you want to change the accessories as well, you can go ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.